So we have it to where it's running pretty good now. Um, did the valve lashes. Everything's oiling properly, which was pretty cool. I mean, carburetor's new, timing's new. Dialed it in pretty good. Water pump's new. The only thing I haven't checked is internal components, but we're just going to roll the dice with those. I'm getting a bit of a ticking on the left side. The rocker arm on the passenger side has the lashes are 7/16 bolts, and then the rocker arms on the driver's side are standard screws, screwdriver. So I thought that was kind of weird. So maybe the left side makes a little more noise because it's different. But yeah, so I don't know. There's a bit of ticking, but I don't think it's from a top oiling issue. If anything, it's from a noisy tappet or something, or whatever, push whatever. I don't know, down there. We're just gonna roll with it. But anyway, right now it's running really good. So what we need to do is stop it. And I've got a new style brake booster we're gonna install underneath there. Get a double pot there, and never used one of these before, so it's going to be kind of fun. I know we got a rear outlet there, and we got a front outlet here, and I got the basics of it, but let's give it a whirl. I have 2 residual pressure valves, the Willwood ones. One for the front, one for the rear, and a bunch of new brake line. So let's do it. Let's just start plugging along. First, let's remove the master cylinder. Let's do it. Welcome to the underside of the truck. So, what I have to do here, what I have to do here is remove the exhaust. Let's get you a picture. Okay. So the exhaust is mounts, or the brake mounts right there. And this exhaust is in the way for this new big one. So I'm gonna remove this piece of the exhaust. I cut it down there about at down at the low part there. Let's see. And then I'm going to cut it up there, up here. And then we're going to remove it. And then we can do something fun later. Badass.
3 days later.
Morning, everyone. I wanted to get an early start this morning, and there was no good way for me to put any sort of filming device down there to show you this underneath the truck. So what happened is, when I installed the new master cylinder, it wasn't aligned with the brake pedal. Now, they knew that when they made this kit. That's why it came with the manual transmission adapter. And so basically what you're doing is you're replacing the shift lever with a smaller one. This is the old one, this is the new one. And so this way you can install the push rod. Instead of being in between the fork of the brake pedal, you're going to put it on the side of the brake pedal, and that's what's going to align it. So it was kind of a pain in the ass, but I found the easiest way was to drive that pin out and then remove all the clutch stuff off. And I removed this, and I was hoping the clutch pedal would just come off, but it doesn't look that way. So so I had to bring it out so we can press this out to get the clutch pedal onto this bar here. But so far so good. Let's press this out, and then we can see if we can get everything reinstalled. We're gonna do it right here, just like this, I think. Yeah, just like that. All right, let's do some pressing.
I'm a little scared right now, but we're gonna try. I just got done doing the brake system. We bled it and adjusted it and everything else. So in theory, we should be able to stop. I have no idea. The e-brake works. We're just gonna test it around the yard here. A little scared. Never done a brake system before, so let's test it out. It may fall out or fly off or whatever because I don't have everything covered up. I'm going to go up the hill and see if it'll stop coming back down. And if I can't, then I'll just whirl around. Okay. Well, here we go.
Sounds fucking adorable.
I have the other brake lights still there.
Oh, that's right.
We'll see. After we get this done and I back it up and we put it over there, we'll see if everything's leaking. Right now, I just want to kind of go around a couple more times and just see what's happening.
Okay.
Shut the door for me.
Yep.
lost a few things, and I'm pretty sweaty because I don't want to roll down the windows yet. But so far, so good. At least the front one's locked up. I do need to do some adjusting on them because they don't work as well going backwards. So that's kind of funny. So other than that, yeah, I think she's okay. So as long as you don't back up too fast, I guess, or you're on a big hill. So now let's get her in a good position, and then we'll check to make sure everything's not leaking, and then I guess figure out what's making the brakes go weird, and still don't have brake lights yet. I got to figure that out. But that's easy. Everything else works. We got turn signals, we got headlights, we got tail lights, we got that starts and runs well. E-brakes on right now. So yeah, let's just let's get her in a good position, button her up, and yeah, see what we can do.